Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, I want to take a quick moment to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of the new videos I upload every week. Plus, it's a great way to show support for my channel and help me continue to create more content for you. So if you enjoy what you're seeing, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always up to date. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is essential for our overall health and well-being: a balanced diet. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial because it provides our bodies with the necessary nutrients and energy to function properly. A balanced diet is a combination of different foods from all food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Let's start with fruits and vegetables. They are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies need to stay healthy. Try to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet, as different colors indicate different nutrients. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Next up, whole grains. Whole grains are unrefined grains that contain all parts of the grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. They are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Examples of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. Lean protein is also an essential component of a balanced diet. It helps to build and repair tissues in our body. Good sources of lean protein include chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Lastly, healthy fats are crucial for our body's overall health. They help to absorb vitamins, protect our organs, and provide energy. Good sources of healthy fats include avocados, nuts, and olive oil. In summary, a balanced diet is one that includes a variety of foods from all food groups. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Include whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats in your diet. By following a balanced diet, you'll be providing your body with the necessary nutrients to function optimally. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.